Okay. Okay, so ignore the background noise. Alright, guys. Um, welcome to Connection Trading YouTube channel, and this is my Patreon page. If you guys, would like to donate some, would be helpful. And I do have classes as well. I just recently created classes. If you want details more about classes, you guys have to PM me personally, and I will tell you the price of the class. It's gonna be worth it because whatever you see, how I trade the market is exactly what you can learn, and you will learn where to put your stop loss and where to take profit, and where you think that it's gonna go. A lot of training, a lot of things you could learn there. So this is my Patreon page. You guys can check it out. If you could. If you could, if you want to, donate as well is okay as well. All right. So the reason why I did live because I tried so many times to make a video. I failed because I got customer coming in and out. So it's a bad quality. So anyway, we have a short entry here. We're still holding the short entry. I'm not sure how this market's gonna go, but I am expecting the markets because of this candle, 4-hour candle right here, because it has 3 green candle here. So there's 2 possibility that I'm looking right now. Is one of it is one of it probably is gonna make a new high before coming down like that. Okay. And another one is it's gonna do some kind of a flat here and then coming down. So it's gonna make a huge bull flag like that. So there's 2 ways to see the market. So I'm not sure which one is which right now at the moment, but at the moment we can clearly see that there's gonna be some kind of up move, come back down, and then trying to make a new high possibility. Alright, or it's gonna do some kind of a flat here as well, coming down. So it's gonna retrace up. So let's see how far it has already retraced. It has already retraced almost to the 618 very soon. Let's see if we get some rejection here. My entry is really good. And my stop loss is at break even, and it's really good. So basically, if this candle takes over this daily candle right here, so it's kind of like indicate that it's gonna go up, right? But if it holds below this candle here, okay, and then it start rejecting right at somewhere around here, right? So it's because there's it has been a resistance right here. So if it comes to the 618 and rejects, then it should be coming down. All right, and as long as it does not take the daily candle right here, the top wick here, so it's gonna be fine, and the market's still gonna come down. All right, so let's just wait and see what happens on the reaction of the 618. All right, but overview. I think I think that the market is actually planning some really huge big moves because a lot of people caught on this one here. When they saw it like dumping, a lot of people shorted here, and then you see the huge green candle. It's kind of like indicate that it's a, how do I say this? It's kind of like a liquidation, right? But at the same time, it looks bullish as well. A lot of people jumped in here as well. Okay, we did long here, but I took profit early here. But anyone who's still holding, it's good. A lot of my spot holders, friends, investor, they asked me for advice. I told them hold on. But if you're a future trader, um, probably took some profit right here and then holding on. But I didn't because I got emotion as well. Unless it's a spot, and I suggest that everybody trade spot always. Um, y'all probably still holding, okay? Even the market comes down, okay? You're still gonna hold. Even it makes a new low, you're gonna add on right here. All right. If it goes lower, add more. Okay. That's how the long-term investment goes. Okay. So now overall, this here move here, it doesn't really um, happen yet, but in the future it could happen. But in my opinion, even if it goes anywhere lower than here, a lot of people are gonna buy in because I mean it's like a discount. It went to 60K before, so it's gonna even it comes down, there's gonna be one day that it's gonna hit the 60K again, right? So it happens before, so it's gonna happen again. So in the future, it's gonna happen again. All right. So there's chances that it might happen, but in the short term, right now, we're looking actually for the retracements to the 618 right here. Okay, we didn't hit the 0.5, so that is why I think there's a chance that it might do something like this. Okay, it's like an ending diagonal before coming down for the retracement and then before going back up. So it's either gonna tag the 618 or it's gonna tag the 786, just like this one here. Okay, this one here tag the 618. Okay, so we're actually looking at this as for this. So if it goes up, I'm expecting it to hit the 0.5, make some kind of a choppy move, right? And then, but I'm trying to short here first. I'm expecting some kind of a choppy move somewhere around here, and then it's gonna show some kind of ending diagonal, and then we're just gonna wait for it to roll down, right? And then we're expecting the 618 and the 786 target, and then that's where we're gonna watch out for this area here. All right. So if it breaks the high, I'm expecting a lot of FOMO coming here, right? All the future trades. It's gonna come in here, and it's all of it gonna ride back up. Now, but you can see that this could end up becoming a cup and handle. So I would suggest that, if it goes up, even if it goes up, always wait for the pullback if it happens. That's where we're gonna take the long. A lot of people are gonna FOMO here, I know it, but I just think that it's more conservative that we wait for the pullback. That's why they created the pattern cup and handle, right? Doesn't always have to happen like that, but in overall, I think most of the time the market's gonna do it as well. Okay, so now I'm expecting for this move here, but of course it could come down for the fourth wave and then make for another leg up and complete the leading diagonal as well. Sure, why not? There's plenty of ways for the market, move and then coming back down. So that's why if you're a spot holder, you're gonna hold. You don't care what happens here. All you know that your target is gonna be 1 million or 100K, right? But if you're a trader, if you're a future trader, you'll know that you want to take this scalp. All right. A lot of people tell me, I mean, dude, you could swing it. You would hold a position here and swing it. Yeah, of course, we all can do that. But if you're a trader, you wouldn't think that way. But if you're an investor, it's a different kind of things. You just buy spot and wait for it to bam. Okay. So for now, I believe that the market is waiting for consolidation in the future because on the RSI we already have some bear divergence, and this down move here has kind of like total reset here. But I was hoping that it comes back down more here and kind of like make a full reset right here over and here and make the bull divergence for a total reset for another up move. All right, and then it's gonna make another bear divergence and take it down again. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on the RSI, because in order for it to truly shows that the trend is moving, always constantly resetting, that's a bullish thing. But if it does not reset, I just think that it's just uh, it's kind of like it's going for something like that and another drop. All right, it's gonna like even if it does not reset, it's gonna make a huge drop soon in the future. It's because it totally reset to the upside and kind of like telling us it might come down. All right, so a retracement is always healthy. So a reset here, it's ideally. So instead of let me see. So instead of thinking that market gonna keep going up but without resetting, it only dangers the market, you know, becoming more and more bearish. All right. So far this is the highest peak. So we're gonna say that this could be the third wave of something. So we're gonna see what happens to this one here. I am expecting a total reset right down here before we go move back up. All right. So I think that's about it. All right. I don't have any viewers, but it's okay. It's just for me to update this video here. I'm trying to, uploading the video faster like that. It has given me attention that every time I try to upload something bad's gonna happen, so it's really hard for me. So I'm playing with the pitchfork. It's quite interesting. Yo, what happened to my? My chart is gone. It's okay. Alright, I think that's about it, guys. I hope this live update gives you some idea, but we're expecting for a pullback to somewhere around 618. Alright, guys. Catch you guys later. Bye.